We're down in the rut. Say if we need to deploy.
I will.
Pretty muddy. We're just sliding.
Yeah. Is it gonna nail us?
Yeah, that's all things coming at us. The western edge is kind of south of us now.
All right, let's deploy here then. Let's deploy. Let's do it good. Drop everything. Drop them. Drop the front. Get the panels down.